A few years ago, I picked up an antique scythe, and the first few times I used it, I had no idea what I was doing, didn't have any real good instruction. I was really, really sore. Eventually, I did start to figure it out. I found some information on how to properly set it up to fit my body, how to properly sharpen it, and how to use it, how to swing it. While I do own and enjoy using lots of power tools for some jobs around the homestead, I always enjoy breaking out the scythe and sharpening it to a razor edge and slicing down some grass and weeds and whatever needs cutting. In one of my old books, it says that it takes more care to properly whet a scythe than to whet a razor. It's just a real pleasure to use. I certainly think it's time to bring them back. Y'all getting many blueberries?
Lots.
Did you leave any for me at all?
Yeah.
Here's some that you can't reach. I'll get those. Have y'all tasted any?
You.
Mmm.
That fish is loaded. Why is everybody not leaving me enough? We're gonna get one. Oh. There's that many in my pail.
I find I do some of my best thinking while I'm working hard and exercising my body and mind at the same time. That's good, Alan. That's good. All right, we've got to put these slats on the sled or some of them, so that the hay will sit on there better.
Are we gonna take them off later?
Yeah, we'll just tie them on with some string. Let's fill her up.
With the pitchfork, can I help?
You can try. Y'all climb over the fence.
Maybe.
Here, let me see. Let me reach it over. There you go.
You can do it.
Okay. Did you get something on you?
There's a sweat bee.
It's also nice that when you mow grass with a scythe, it's not chopped to bits, and it can be easily used for hay or fodder or mulch. Here, y'all get out of the loop. Just grab one each. Get a hand. Oh, okay, that'll work. Oh, somebody needs to get the pitchfork. Yeah.
Flossie's gonna like this.
Mm-hmm.
Can I do some?
Yeah, you better give Alan a turn. Good job, Alan. You're getting the hang of it. Much better. Thank you. Alright, let's stop right there this time. Careful.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it or I'm gonna do it.
You want to do it this time?
No, I said I want it.
Alright. Put some more in the shed. Good job.
That's good, Dad.
Yeah, you can put a little more in there. I can spread it around when you're done.